How to see how many friends you have on Snapchat. All you have to do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application and it will lead you here directly to your camera, right? Now, on the upper left, you will see your Bitmoji there. Click on your Bitmoji and scroll down up until you see the Snap map here. Now, if you just go here to your friends, you will see your friends, right? But you will not be given the exact number of friends you have. And it's very tiring for you to manually count them, right? Now, to be able to see how many friends you have on Snapchat, what you can do is to scroll down up until you see the Snap map. Click on your Snap map there. And if you have turned on the ghost mode, of course, you have to turn that off. This section, you'll see these three options. You have to go to only these friends. Now, if you set it here, what you're gonna do next is say deselect all. So tap on select all here. Go here to all friends. So just don't go here first. Just scroll down up until you see the all friends list here. So tap on select all and tap on save. Now after doing that, you have to go back here and under snap map here, under sharing your location with, these are the total friends that you have. And basically, you have 28 friends there. I have 28 friends there. And basically, that's how to see how many friends you have on Snapchat. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support.